Section 7.9. Trigonal bipyramidal and square pyramidal complexes. We're talking about 5 coordinate transition metal complexes. They may adopt trigonal bipyramidal and square pyramidal structures. And these 2 different structures can be easily converted to each other via a Barry pseudo-rotation mechanism. I recommend you to look at this Wikipedia page about Barry mechanism. But also, I will show you how to do this conversion. Over here, you are looking at trigonal. So this is trigonal. Bipyramidal. So you have a pyramid on top pointing up, one pyramid on the bottom pointing down. Now we're going to change 2 bond angles. So if you look at these 2 atoms, they are on the axial position. The 3 are on the equatorial position. Just pick any 2. So in this picture, we're going to just change the position of this one and the position of this one by changing this bond angle from 120 degrees to 90 degrees. So this is going to be 90 degrees, and this one 90 degrees. So after you do that, you will see this is 90, this is 90. You no longer have trigonal bipyramidal. This is now square pyramidal. And this atom is now on the axial position. Okay, this is the axial position. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 ligands are on the same plane. And we call this 4 positions basal positions. You have 4 basal positions. So look, these 2 now are at these 2 positions. All right? These 2 atoms are now also on basal positions. Previously, these 2 are axial positions, now basal positions. This one, equatorial position. Over here, axial position. All right, now you have 4 ligands on the basal positions. We can again change the bond angles. We can change this bond angle from 90 to 120. All right, so we'll just open up this one. And also we can do the same thing here. Change this bond angle to 120. All right, so this blue will go here, and this orange will go here. So right here. All right, now if you look at this structure, this is no longer square pyramidal. This is trigonal bipyramidal again. But this time, I want you to pay attention to the 2 axial ligands. These 2 are the 2 axial ligands on the axial positions. Initially, these 2 are on the axial positions, orange and blue. Now it's green and yellow. So where are this orange and blue? They are here. The orange and the blue ligands are now on the equatorial positions. So that means if you have a 5 coordinate transition metal complex, and very often you'll see conversions between trigonal bipyramidal structure and square bipyramidal structure. Also, that will result in different ligands occupying the axial positions and equatorial positions. So again, those are the summaries from A to B. You have 2 equatorial ligands, these 2. In the trigonal bipyramidal structure, they become now basal. So this 2, this 2 becomes basal, okay, along with this 2. And then the 2 axial ligands, 1 and 2, these 2 axial ligands also become basal. All right, and then now look at the step from B to C. From B to C, the 2 basal ligands, orange and blue, become equatorial positions. The other two basal ligands, so these two basal ligands in the square pyramidal structure, these two are basal ligands. Now they become axial ligands in the new trigonal bipyramidal structure. Again, this structure is different from this structure. Over here, the orange and the blue are on the axial positions. Over here, green and yellow are on the axial positions. So again, if you do this two steps from A to B and then B to C, overall the two axial ligands will become equatorial and two equatorial ligands will become axial.